Good morning, Sir Alvarez. By the way, I'm Clint Gavula. My topic is about the three worlds model. The first world model is about Soviet communist. The term that originating during the Cold War initially categorized nations based on their geopolitical alignment and the economic system. It's crucial to understand that this original definition is largely outdated and its modern usage is often imprecise and even problematic. So, the Cold War is described the developed that capitalized countries aligned with United States, while no longer formally used in geopolitical analysis. It persists in the formal conversations to generally refer to the wealthy, technologically advanced nations. However, this casual usage lacks precision and can be misleading. Then the second world model is about bloccs during the Cold War. Historically referred to countries aligned with the Eastern Bloc during the Cold War. Primarily, this with communist governments and planned economics, often associated with the Soviet Union and the Warsaw Pact. While Second World might surface in casual conversation, its historically context and lack of precision render it unsustainable for formal discussions of international relations or developed economics. The third or the last world model is about not aligned and developing nations. The third world consisted of countries that were not aligned with either the first or second world, often newly independent nations from the colonial rule in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. So the third world might appear is casual conversation, its historical baggage and imprecise potential offensive nature render it unsustainable for formal discussions of international relations or development economics. And that's all. Thank you, sir.